IoTeX Community, and welcome to this week's News Digest. Here are the latest updates for you.
This week we published an article on HackerNoon talking about how we can stay protected with so many IoT devices and digital assistants coming in our homes and hackers having their targets on our sensitive data. Make sure to give it a read and share on Twitter. Check out the first Ucam unboxing and setup video for those of you that have already ordered your Ucams or for those of you that are waiting to get one. IoTeX was featured in CoinDesk's new article on privacy. Make sure to read the article and share it on Twitter. Just a reminder that Burn Drop is coming on July 31st. Make sure to take advantage of this amazing campaign. Full details can be found in our Medium blog.
And these were all of the updates for you this week. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Stay tuned for more news.